This will be a short video demonstrating two flavors of the EM beacons and the EM Beacon iOS app. A little background: EM Microelectronic is the electronics arm of the Swatch Group. They're based in Marin, Switzerland. The U.S. office is based in Colorado Springs. And my name is Mark Gordon. I'm one of the partners at Glacier River Design. We're hired to develop, demonstrate, and support the firmware and software for EM beacons. The beacons plus the app are primarily developed to show off the EM9301 Bluetooth Low Energy transceiver. I'll show you the beacons now. There are two flavors over here. We have the low cost, and perhaps you can see it. The low cost has a dipole antenna. It runs on a single AAA battery. The circuit consists of primarily the EM9301 transceiver and an 8-bit MCU, the EM6819. The other version is nearly identical. It runs on a smaller battery, the LR44 coin cell battery, and it has a chip antenna, giving it a smaller footprint. But other than that, it has the same 9301 and 6819 MCU. Enough about chips. I know we're all about the app today, so I'll go ahead and turn one of these guys on. We're looking here at the iOS app being demonstrated on an iPad mini, and this is version 1.4. And as soon as I turned that on, you may have noticed in the upper left corner the beacon showed up. The selection of beacons in the area showed up. There's only one right now. I'll go ahead and select that. And the information being broadcast by that particular beacon shows up on the right side. We've got temperature, lux value. This has a light sensor. It's not very well calibrated. It's not very useful right now. It's useful mostly for on or off. Then we get battery, received power, number of packets received, and you can see that going up, and the number of button presses. We've got a couple of those things are live. You can see them moving. I'll go ahead and press the button a couple of times. And we should see that value change. There it goes. It changes as well. I'll go ahead and turn a second beacon on, and hopefully we'll get another beacon show up. There it is. Upper left, we have a second beacon showing up, and if we had more, they would show up down the left-hand column. I'll go ahead and select that beacon as well, and again, we have the information being transmitted by that beacon showing up on the right side. And that is it. This is the one and only screen. I'll go ahead and pause right now for one final demonstration. We're back. I've gone ahead and tossed one of the beacons into the refrigerator, and as we watch, you can see the temperature going down slowly. We're down to 20.7. We'll pause a little bit. It should continue to go down. It does. You can see the lux has gone to 0, answering that age-old question. And we're down to 19 degrees C, 18.9, and following. And that is the EM Beacon app version 1.4.